How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we wanted to switch things up and actually bring in our F82 to do quite a bit of a transformation. To start things off, we're going to be swapping out these headlights for the IKON Style headlights that we carry on our website, as well as the 3D style front lip and our Performance V1 side skirts. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for today's video, we're at our friend Anthony's shop, AP2. He's going to be doing the entire installation process for today's video on our F82. And right here in front of me, we have the IKON Style headlights. These are direct plug and play, so all you need to do is take out your old headlights and put these ones in and you're good to go. Now, if your car did come from factory with the adaptive headlights, you will need to code these new headlights in, otherwise you will have an error message pop up on your gauge cluster. Something important to note though is that these headlights will still work just fine even with that error message. Not only that, these headlights are the color changing ones, meaning when you flash your high beams 5 times, your DRLs will change between yellow and white. So yeah, that's about it. Let's get into it. Alrighty, you guys, we just wrapped up the install of the IKON Style headlights. They looked amazing, as you guys saw, especially the color changing aspect of it. Next, we're moving over to the 3D style front lip and the Performance V1 side skirts. Both of them are carbon, and they really give out that OEM Plus look to the F82 chassis. And really easy to install. All you need are the self tappers that are included with them, and you just line them up and drill. Let's get to it. Alrighty, you guys, so that wraps up the install of all of these new parts on our F82. We couldn't be more happy with how this turned out. The IKON Style headlights really just helped update the car to a level that it should have quite frankly been from the factory. The color changing aspect of them is also amazing, and it just adds another touch of individuality to your F82. The front lip here really just helps bring out the front end even more, especially in contrast with the black grille and the other black accents on the car. It just not only helps bring out the carbon fiber, but it just makes the front end that much more aggressive, which is what we all want at the end of the day. We couldn't end this video off without mentioning our Performance V1 side skirts that we also got installed. They not only complement the front lip, they make the car look lower, and they're just another visual element from the side of the car that brings it all together. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, all the parts that we got installed on this F82 are available on our website, horizonmotorsport.com. We also offer local pickup in Irvine. All you gotta do is just send us a DM or email and we'll get right to it. Take care.